Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility so you can stop sticky keys now. Once there, choose Keyboard to reveal the sticky keys control. You will see a main toggle labeled Sticky Keys. Switch it to Off. This immediate step prevents the feature from interfering while you finish. Make sure you complete the next option screens because turning the toggle off here disables the active behavior but may not remove the invocation shortcut. Once done with the main toggle, open the Sticky Keys options or Keyboard Shortcut section to stop accidental activation. You need to turn off the Allow the Shortcut option that responds to pressing Shift 5 times. Doing that prevents reactivation by mistake. If multiple users use the PC, repeat the same step while signed into each account so it's consistent. Make sure to save or apply changes. This is the key middle step that converts the temporary off state into a persistent off state. You finish by signing out or restarting to ensure changes stick across sessions. After reboot, press Shift 5 times to verify the sticky keys. Prompt no longer appears. This confirms the shortcut is disabled. If the feature still activates, you can edit the registry at hkcu/control panel/accessibility/sticky keys and set flags to the appropriate value to disable prompts. Do that only if comfortable with registry edits. Remember to back up the registry before changes and use an
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.